Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews. Today I am unboxing a brand new YA book subscription. This is called Second Star Books. It is, like I said, a YA. Look at the box. Isn't it cool? Don't you like it? Alright, so what do I have to tell you guys about? This is their May box, I think. I do have a June, like, a theme reveal for you guys, and it's going to be Secrets and Lies. So in this box, you're going to get brand new books from the author, from debut authors, exclusive items, and bookish goodies. Each box is $39.95. I do not know what's in here. Like, I have the foggiest. So when I did my first glimpse, I couldn't get one of the flaps back in, so it was like holding it here like this. Whatever. I feel honestly like it's been a good long time since I've unboxed a book box, which is fine. I mean, not fine by me. I love getting books, but it's crazy. Like, it's just like interesting. Thank you for trying Second Star Books. Thank you so much for agreeing to do an unboxing of our first ever. So this is their, literally, this is their debut box. I do have a coupon code for $5 off for you guys. It's Alexa, all caps, 2018. I'm going to put that down below too, just so you can check it out. This will work with a 6-month, 3-month, and single month subscription. So there you go. So there's our paper. It looks so pretty. Okay. I smell candles, I think. All right, so first right here on the top we have Of Moons and Moors. So this is their May box, and the theme was Of Moons and Moors. So I'm thinking Moors reminds me personally of Wuthering Heights, because that was like where they would go out and play and all that stuff. So hello, awesome book nerds. We're not going to peek at this, but I will tell you what this says here. Oops. It says, Hugo was a planet far from reach, a brightly brimming star too distant to fathom. I should have brought water up. My throat is like kind of parched. And then it says here about your wood-wick candle. Oh, I'm gonna put it right. All right, so then we got little cards about book 1 in the Biodome Chronicles Legacy. To redeem this card. Oh, it's like a free audio, free ebook, I should say. Legacy, book 1 in the Biodome Chronicles. Elements, book 2 in the Biodome. So these are all little book plates. Ooh. Transitions, book 2.5. Ooh. They're getting all futuristic. And then book 3. So there's a whole series. And then the backs tell you about each. We have a book marked for the Biodome. Philon Nichols. So these are from the same author. These are little coloring sheets. Are you supposed to color these? I'm not sure. Isn't that cute though? And then they have these little tiny paper clip. Ah! So there's that. Ooh, I see a tea infuser. I love these. Is this the... Oh, oh Lord. Ooh! I just messed up my nails. Look at this. I don't have anything like this. Okay. So this is the kind you hang in, but look at the little, like, weight. It's got, like, a nebula. I want to say, like, a nebula. Do you know what I mean? How cool is that? Oh, I will cherish this forever. Oh, my God. That means you know what's in here. Tea. There's tea in here. Tea with Stella. Strawberry and lemon enhanced with a pinch of sugar. Steep 5 to 10 minutes. So everything is very... What is the theme again? Moons and Moors. So they're more moons than they are moors. You know what I'm saying? This is very constellation-y themed. I feel like a very like planetary, outer spacey. Because look at the... Oh, I just feel like... It's funny. I feel like constellations are everywhere right now. Like looking at pictures like that, like the stars and the blue. It's like I've been seeing that everywhere. It's so pretty. I love it. And then this tin is like bronze or copper or brass. Oh, it smells so good. Strawberry tea is very uncommon. I don't think I've ever had it. Or not in this. Oh, it smells so, it literally smells like strawberries. Just so good. Like you could eat it. You probably could. All right. Oh, I should have taken, All right, so bookish candles for bookish people. aboard the Rochester, blackberry, spice, and sage. So I'm guessing Rochester is the name of the ship in the movie, the book. And then look, these are by second star. So I'm guessing you're going to get a candle in each box. So this is a 100% soy wax candle, brightly burning, by Alexa Dawn. Isn't it like very galactical? Glacial? Ooh, it's a woodwick. So we did see that. I mean, but ooh, that's interesting. It has like a crisp spicy. Is that ever like a thing? But you know what I mean? But it's also fruity. Ooh, that's what it is. It's a sage. I like that. That's different. I don't have anything like that. I love the way it looks. It looks very cool. All right. What's next? What is this? Is this a mug for my tea? That's what it kind of feels like. My husband, if it is going to kill me. He's like, you need to not have so many. Our girl can never have too many mugs or husbands. No, I'm just kidding. I have enough with the one I have. All right. Oh, they wrapped everything really well, by the way. They actually shoved it through the handle so it couldn't crack the handle off, which is really smart. Reader, I married him. I wonder if that's a reference to the book. I'm not sure. But it's really cute. It's purple. Everything matches so well. So there's that. Now we're going to get into, and I feel really bad because the books are, they're like wrapped up so pretty, and I'm about to tear them open like an animal. Sorry guys. And I didn't take a picture for the vlog. But anyway, that's okay. We're just going to keep going. Okay. I just love how they're wrapped in brown paper packages tied up with string. All right. Ouch. This is macaroni. All right. Okay, I have to say something. My neighbor's dog is out right now. They have like little beagles. The dog sounds like it has, when it barks, it has like a smoker's cough. It's like, it's so bizarre. Like, where did that bark come from? All right, so Brightly Burning by Alexa Dawn. So that's crazy. This is actually her book. The girl that curates these boxes, I believe, can love, conquer, deception, and intrigue. So this is a signed sticker, a book plate. Dear second star subscribers, firstly, I'm so honored and delighted to be featured in the first ever. Oh, no. No. That's not true. This is her box that they curated around her. So I'm mistaking it. But anyway, I'm not gonna go into all these like, oh, what's all these questions. I'm gonna link to my full review where we'll go in depth and I'll do all the discovering. So there's this book, Brightly Burning. This is our first book. There's another book here for this box. I love that it's all curated around a color. I think that's really cool. There's a color scheme here. So there's that. And that's why the code is Alexa. So I'll also link to second star books. I don't know if I said that. I'm getting old and I can't remember like something I just said. All right. Ooh. Ooh. So that's why it's Of Moons and More. So this is Jane Eyre. This is a Bronte novel. Where did this cover come from? Where did this come from? I've never seen it like this. I've only ever seen it in like hardcover from the library. I don't own a copy. I think Penelope is probably, my daughter's 10, but she reads a lot. Like she's read all the Harry Potters. She's read, what are those the other series? Percy, you know the ones. Percy, it's like a slightly it's like a mythological. But I want her to try to start reading like period novels. I think that they would open her to a whole new genre because she kind of stays in one genre, and that's great. I like that she reads, but now I have this and I think that she'll love it. I love this cover, and I love, like, look at how everything matches. I can't even. So anyway, this is an amazing box. Are you into books? Let me know down below. If you like this box, what do you think? It's their first box and they did an excellent job. I cannot wait to do the review for this. So I'm going to link down below to that. I'll also link to Second Star Books. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!